I am Immigration Judge Christopher Santoro. I'm going to explain the purpose of these court proceedings and your rights. After I explain these rights to you, an immigration judge will talk to you individually about your case. You should have received a copy of the Notice to Appear in your case. The Notice to Appear explains the reasons why the government believes you should be removed from the United States. The Notice to Appear looks like this. If you believe you did not receive a copy, tell the immigration judge when he or she talks to you today. In the Notice to Appear, the United States government alleges that you violated the immigration laws of this country and should be removed, sometimes called being deported. An immigration judge will decide whether that is true or not true. If the immigration judge finds it is true, an immigration judge will then determine whether there is a way for you to remain in the United States. I will now explain your rights in these proceedings. You have the right to be represented by an attorney of your choice at no cost to the government. You may be eligible for free legal services. If those services are available in this area, we will give you a list with contact information for those who might be able to assist you. Alternatively, if you do not want a lawyer, you can represent yourself in your case. In support of your case, you can submit documents as evidence, such as pictures, news articles, letters from persons familiar with your case, so long as you provide a copy to the government and keep a copy for yourself. If any documents are not in English, they must be translated into English and certified with the following: the name of the translator, that he or she is competent to translate from the language of the document into English, and that the translation is true, complete, and accurate. You will receive a copy of any evidence the government offers, and you can make objections to it. You have the right to testify in your case. You have the right to call witnesses to testify on your behalf. You have the right to ask questions of any government witnesses. At the beginning of your case, an immigration judge will ask you which country you want to return to if the law requires that you be removed from the United States. Do not assume from this question that the judge has already decided that you must be removed. At the conclusion of your case, an immigration judge will decide whether you will be ordered removed from the United States. If the immigration judge decides that you must be removed from the United States, the country to which you will be removed will be the one that you chose, except as otherwise required by law. If you disagree with the immigration judge's decision, you can appeal it to a higher court. If you wish to appeal, you must do so in writing within 30 calendar days of the immigration judge's decision. If you fail to file a notice of appeal within 30 days, the immigration judge's decision becomes final.